Hello students, on the behalf of KTHM College Nasik and Department of Chemistry of this college, I am Dr. Rucha Pawar, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry of KTHM College, welcomes you in this SYBSc Inorganic Chemistry class. Dear student, in this lecture we are going to discuss how to calculate the oxidation state of central metal ion. Oxidation state is the numerical value and the sign of the charge present on the metal ion. Oxidation state can be calculated from the charge on the complex ion and the surrounding ligand. So in this lecture we are going to discuss various examples in that we are calculated the oxidation state of central metal ion. So let's start with the first example, that is calculation of oxidation state of metal. So for the calculation of oxidation state of metal, there are some simple formulae for the oxidation of metal ion. So the formula is that oxidation state of metal plus number of ligands into charge on ligand is equal to charge on complex ion. So let's start the first example, that is hexachloroplatinum complex. So we want to calculate the oxidation state of metal. So we have taken as an X plus here the number of ligand is a 6 because here chlorine is a ligand and 6 chlorine are attached to the platinum. So 6 into minus 1. Charge on the ligand is a minus 1. So that's why into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is a charge on the complex. So this is as like so the oxidation number of platinum is plus 4 here. Now the second example is a copper complex, tetraammonium cuprate complex. Here again X that we want to calculate plus number of ligand, that is a 4 ammonia into 0. Charge on the ammonia is 0 because ammonia is a neutral ligand, is equal to plus 2. Plus 2 is a charge on the complex ion, that is X is equal to plus 2. So the oxidation number of copper is a plus 2. So now the next example, that is third number, that is again platinum complex
3.
So the next one, that is a platinum complex, that is a diammonium dichloropplatinum complex. Here X plus 2 into 0, 2, that is a number of ligand is a 2 ammonia, then charge on the ammonia is 0, so into 0 plus chlorine, that is two numbers of chlorine and charge on each chlorine is a -1. and there is no any charge on complex, so 0. X plus, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. So the oxidation number or oxidation state of the platinum is here, plus 2 again. Now let's discuss the next example, that is for ruthenium complex. So let's discuss the oxidation state of ruthenium. For that's why we taken as an X plus number of ammonium molecule is 5, so 5 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Water again is in neutral ligand, and the charge on the chlorine, that is 2, is equal to 0. Here again there is a no charge, so X plus 0, 0 minus 2, so here X is equal to plus 2. So the oxidation number of ruthenium here, that is plus 2. Now in this complex, here X plus number of ammonium molecule is a 5 and charge on ammonia is 0, so into 0 plus chlorine, number of molecule is of chlorine is a 1 and charge on chlorine is a minus 1, plus minus 2 is equal to 0. So here X plus, that is 0 plus minus 1, X is equal to 3. So oxidation number of cobalt is a plus 3. So these are the various metal with their respective oxidation state. Now there are some cases in that, or some complexes in which the neutral ligand is attached to metal ion. And what is the oxidation state of that metal ion? For example, if we take, that is we have taken as a 6 number, that is tetracarbonyl nickel. Here carbonyl is a neutral ligand, and this neutral ligand is directly attached to the metal ion. In that case, we have to take an oxidation state of nickel as a 0, because carbonyl is a neutral ligand. So that's why when neutral ligand is directly attached to the metal ion, then the oxidation state of that metal is a 0. So the oxidation state of nickel is a 0 here. Examples of the oxidation state of metal ion, we will stop here. In next lecture, we are going to discuss the Werner's work and theory. Thank you.